Here with Tyler Green. Thank you so much for joining us today for our new workout series for this week, which is the Get Hammered workout series. So, no, we don't have alcohol. We already did the beer workout, so that sufficed that, or met that need. We have your hammers. So I have these, rubber mallets, and Ty has the heavier, very loud, regular hammers. But you know when they always say that a nail that sticks out eventually gets hammered down. So I thought today's series, based off of that quote, would be good, where we're going to hammer out our abs to try to nail them down and flatten them out. So are you ready to go?
Ready.
All right. So you're going to grab a couple hammers right here, and today's specifically is just our ab work. So here's what the hammers are going to do. They're going to throw your balance off a little bit. They're going to add some weight into the moves, and they're just going to create an increase of challenge of what you're going to do. So you're going to start with your arms out straight, and you're going to slide your shoulders back, and then we're going to roll back behind your tailbone, right? And then come up. We've done this exercise plenty of times before. We're going to move up a little bit further here so that y'all can see Tyler there a little bit better. You're going to roll back behind the tailbone, and then come right back up from here again. And do that again. This time you're going to bring the arms up to the ceiling. And as you can see, just by adding the extra weight into the arms, it makes it harder for the core to stabilize, bring them down and forward. How was that?
You knew that was going to happen.
That's what we did. Arms up and come down and forward. Rolling back, arms come up. Now this time you're going to bend the elbows and the hammer comes towards your shoulders. And then you're going to bring them straight as you sit up. So as you go back, the arms come up. Once you're there, you're going to bend the elbows. Then you reach them up straight and come forward. It's almost like a skull crusher that you would do in the gym. You guys know what that is, where you're laying on your back.
That's rough.
That's rough. Roll back. Reach the arms up. Bend the elbows back. Reach the arms up and forward. Tyler never knows what I have in store. Neither do you guys, right? Until you show up on my live and you're like, what is she coming up with today? Come forward and up. And where in the world do I come up with these ideas? You know, some of them, and hopefully more of them, will come from ideas from some of you guys by commenting or asking questions. That's how I come up with these ideas of different things that I'm going to do. One more here. Rolling back. Don't stop yet, Tyler. Then the elbows straighten them and come up and rest for a second. So his hip flexors are probably getting tight. So if you need to stretch them tight, just go ahead and lay down on your back and push your hips to the ceiling, or just come along with me here.
That's deceptively difficult.
Deceptively difficult. The what we just did?
Yeah, it's easy, but you really get a workout. That's a good one.
Just adding the hammers make a huge difference. All right, rolling back. This time what we're going to do is we're going to rotate to one side. So we're going to roll back. We're going to rotate to one side. Here's what happens. You have this extra weight in your hand, and it's also making it longer. Go to the other side. So it's making it, I want to hammer you, it's creating an added weight, but it's also creating a longer lever in which to balance off. Good. And come forward and up. And then you're going to go the other way. You reach back. Sorry, just hit your finger. I've done that before where I hit my own finger when I'm hammering. Reach back. Now, what you're going to do with this arm is you're going to actually bend it and come forward. So it's almost like you're coming up and around, like you're going to hammer your toe. Good. Then you're going to go back to that same side. Let's do it again. Roll back, bend the elbow, circle the arm around and up. One more on this side, reach. And all actions that we're doing, go to the other side, create a different challenge of what we're doing by just changing the arm movement pattern. It changes and throws off how gravity is pulling on the body. Other side again, we're going to do 3 more on each side. Okay, Ty?
Okay.
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
All right. Roll back, reach, circle around. 2 more on that side. Roll back and reach, circle around and up. 1 more. Roll back and reach, circle around and up. Other side. 3 times. Roll back, hammer up and reach. I'm trying to pull in all these different types of tools that you all might have easily at your disposal at your house. We're still got more to go, you know that?
Okay.
All right. Hey guys, if you haven't yet, go ahead and watch my video from Saturday that I uploaded and I did live, where I was talking about why I do what I'm doing. Because the reason that I'm doing all of these workouts here is for you. So if you have anything that you would like me to address in any of the workouts, I totally will do it. Whether you're on screen with me or not, that's fine. But I would love your feedback and your ideas, because I want to be able to bring to the table something that will be helpful for you to accomplish your goals. All right, next up is you're going to roll back onto your back down towards the floor. Then you're going to lift your legs up and keep your knees bent. And then what I'm going to do from here is lift my arms to the ceiling, and I'm going to simply abdominal crunch up, right? And then I'm going to lower back down. And then I'm going to lift back up and lower down. Now I'm going to lift back up and hold here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach my arms over my head as my legs reach out. Then I'm going to bend the elbows back. Then as I bend my knees, I'm going to hammer my hands forward. And I'm going to bend my elbows. Elbows are by my ears, and then reach forward, right? So everything comes together at the center. 4 more. If you can't hold your head and shoulders up, that's totally okay. It makes it harder when you're holding the weight of the hammer in your hands, so you can keep your head and shoulders down. 2 more here. And then 1 more. Hold here. Now from here, all you're going to do is reach one leg out, and then switch legs, right? So one leg is going to reach, and then the other leg is going to reach. Very nice. Then what you're going to do is the knee that bends, that arm is going to go back, and then it's going to come forward, right? So if you wanted to do one arm first to get that coordination, then what you'll do is as it goes back, that elbow bends, then you switch to the other arm. So you're hammering back. When the elbow is bending, it's the opposite arm that's going back. 8, 7, Tyler's like, how many more? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay lifted. Don't fall down there. Because now what we're going to do is we're going to add rotation in. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to take my arm, and as that leg goes out, I'm going to rotate towards that bent knee by crossing that arm over. Then I'm going to switch to the other side. And then I'm going to switch. And I'm going to switch. So I'm crisscrossing across the body with the hammer, not trying to hammer down my toe. I'm not doing a hammer toe, at least not here. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. And Tyler, I think the reason that we tend to be more quiet when we're doing abs is because it's so hard. Is that right?
That's right.
I figured that's the case. All right, so now from here, you're going to have both legs towards the ceiling. If you can't make them all the way straight, just lower them down slightly. The arms are going to come back towards your ears. Elbows will be bent over your head. Then you're going to lower the legs down, and then as the legs come up, you're going to hammer to the side of your legs, and then come back down. Try 5 more here. 5, 4. What you'll find is the challenge of the hammer is much greater than what you expect when you're just simply watching. 1 more here. Very good. And roll all the way up from here. Last move for today. Are you ready for this?
Sure.
We're going to roll in the ball into rolling over. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll here, and as we go back, the hammers go down towards the floor, and I roll back, and as I come up, I'm going to reach the arms forward. Make sense?
Okay.
All right. You guys ready to go? Let's join me. So you're going to roll back, the hands come down to the side as you roll over, then you're coming up, and you're reaching the arms forward. You roll back and you roll over. This is super challenging after all of the ab work that we've already done so far today. Hopefully you're feeling your abs and you're recognizing that they are working, they are getting stronger, and that using a tool such as a hammer just increases the challenge ever so slightly, which makes it look easy, but in fact it's actually much more challenging. So guys, thank you so much for joining Tyler and I on our Get Hammered workout series for this week. And go ahead and tune in the next couple of days because I've got some additional workouts. Just make sure you bring your hammers with you and ready to go. If you don't have access to a hammer, you can use like a small weight in your hands, nothing more than a pound each.
Get a hammer.
Get a hammer. He wants you to get hammered. not having to have commercial interruptions when I upload it to YouTube. So if you go over to my Patreon page and you just support me, maybe for like $4, that's it. That will help quite a bit, helping me avoid having to go over to YouTube's monetization, where you get that commercial interruption. When, I mean, there's no point in doing this workout if they interject an ad in the middle of it. You're right in the middle of doing something, unless you need that rest, I guess. So, anyways, thank you so very much for participating with Tyler and I today. And be sure to tune in for a special guest here with me tomorrow and the rest of the week. Thanks so much. Bye.